Hola, amigos! Welcome to today's Fun News, the place where we mix fun and facts in the most fabulous way. And today, we are packing our virtual bags and heading straight to beautiful Colombia, the land of coffee, colorful streets, and Caribbean dreams. So sit back and get ready to be amazed by vibrant culture, magical landscapes, and a whole lot of arepas. Let's dive in. Where is Colombia and why is it so special? Colombia is located in the northwestern corner of South America. It's the only country in South America with coastlines on both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. How cool is that? From tropical beaches and lush jungles to colonial towns and snowy mountains, Colombia has it all. Plus, it's one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. We're talking about jungles where monkeys swing from trees and oceans where whales come to sing. Cities full of charm and character. Let's start with Bogotá, Colombia's capital. This city is buzzing with energy. You'll find amazing museums, massive street art, and of course the towering Montserrat Mountain, giving you a breathtaking view of the entire city. Then there's Medellin, once known for dark times, but now a modern marvel. It's been called the City of Eternal Spring, thanks to its perfect weather and innovation in urban design. And of course, we can't forget Cartagena, a colorful coastal city that looks like it pops straight out of a fairy tale. Cobblestone streets, vibrant buildings, horse-drawn carriages, it's a romantic dream. Coffee paradise, Colombia isn't just about pretty places. It's the third largest coffee producer in the world. And the beans? Oh, they're legendary. The Coffee Triangle, made up of Caldas, Quindío, and Risaralda, is where the magic happens. Rolling hills, coffee farms, and traditional haciendas invite you in to learn, taste, and totally fall in love with Colombian coffee. And yes, sipping a hot cup while watching the mist roll over green valleys? Instant peace. Nature lovers, this is your playground. If you love nature, you'll love Colombia. Let's talk adventure. Amazon rainforest. Explore the wild, meet native tribes, and float down mystical rivers. Tayrona National Park, where jungle meets the Caribbean. Think monkeys and palm trees and hidden beaches. Cocora Valley, home of the world's tallest palm trees. They look like something out of Dr. Seuss. And don't forget the Caño Cristales River, known as the Liquid Rainbow. It's one of the most beautiful rivers on Earth, turning vibrant shades of red, yellow, and purple during certain months of the year. A culture full of life. Colombians know how to celebrate life. From salsa dancing in Cali to carnaval in Barranquilla, the energy is off the charts. Music and dance are at the heart of the culture. Ever heard of cumbia or vallenato? These traditional sounds will have you tapping your feet in no time. And don't even get us started on Colombian food. Arepas, empanadas, bandeja paisa, every bite is a fiesta. Art, history, and magical realism. Colombia is home to some of the most incredible artists and writers in the world. Fernando Botero, known for his big, bold figures. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, the Nobel Prize-winning author behind 100 Years of Solitude. The country itself feels like something out of a novel. Many travelers say Colombia has a kind of magical realism, a place where everything feels alive, colorful, and slightly surreal. Even small towns like Guatapé, with its zocalos, painted tiles, feel like walking through a painting. Beaches that'll steal your heart. Love beach life? Colombia's got you covered. San Andres and Providencia, Caribbean islands with turquoise waters and dreamy vibes. Playa Blanca near Cartagena, white sands and perfect sunsets. Palomino, a hidden gem where rivers meet the sea. Whether you want to surf, snorkel, or just sip a coconut by the shore, you'll find your paradise here. So what do you think? Colombia is more than just a country. It's an experience. It's vibrant, it's diverse, it's warm, both in weather and in the people. If it's not already on your travel bucket list, it absolutely should be. If you enjoyed this virtual trip to Colombia, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to today's Fun News, and tell us in the comments, where should we travel next? Until next time, amigos, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep it fun.